Hi everyone, uh, today I want to show you this nice little blues piece. Basically, I'm just it's inspired by people like Johnny Hooker and Lightnin, Hopkins and people like that. So I'm playing the E with my thumb. That's the rhythm, I just keep the rhythm going. Go to the A. Back to the E, as usual in blues. And then finally go to the B where I play this. So I'm fretting the second fret of the A string, the low A string, to fret the B. And I'm just using a few notes to create this sound. Firstly, I'm doing this. So with my middle finger, I'm just taking the second fret of the D string while I'm playing the rhythm. And then I take my index finger and do index and middle to play a hammer on the second fret of the A string and second fret of the D string. So you get so the first one I play with a hammer, and the second I just pluck. So we get and I switch. I play that once, and after I play. So it's the same, except I don't play. I play this one. I play the open G string. So next I'm playing the A, and I'm basically doing the same thing. But now I'm using my thumb to play and my index to play. So we get and back to E again. That's the B, just fretting a B with the third fret of the high B string. And then back to A. Something like that. I have to say, I think it's because I'm always just mixing it up, and I never play the same thing exactly the same. So sometimes I think I find it a bit difficult to explain it note for note. But I hope that you just can work with the general idea of what I'm trying to show you. That you can play a nice sounding blues using just a few simple notes, basically. and so on. So I hope you can learn something from this short little lesson. Have a nice day.